Om. 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 Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Dhyana Moolam Guru Murti, Puja Moolam Guru Padam, Mantra Moolam Guru Vakyam, Moksha Moolam Guru Kripa. अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। राम 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 सीताराम। राम 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 सीताराम 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 सीताराम। राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राम 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 Ram 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 Ram. Hari Om Tassan. My good wishes and prayer for each and everyone around the world. Nowadays everyone is suffering a lot of stress, tension, worry, preoccupation with the corona, virus corona. Same time, what happened in our country, United States, too much instability, what is happening, you know, everyone know, I don't have to tell. But whatever happened, we need still peace, joy, harmony, tranquility, calmness, serenity. Without peace we cannot live, without joy we cannot live. But our emotion is very strong. Our emotion don't know how to channelize. The first tension we call muscular tension, mental and emotional. Doesn't matter where you live, but with three kind of blockages we have: muscular blockage, mental blockage, emotional blockage. Too much giving stress to the physical body that creates physical sickness or weakness, back pain, headache, back pain, neck pain, knee pain, stomach pain, all the physical. So there are blockages in muscular, in physical body, muscular pain. Another blockage, mental blockages. The mental blockage, you know how to run the mental energy, you know how to handle the mental energy, and that come worry, preoccupation, anxiety, lack of confidence, lack of courage, lack of confidence, courage. The emotion. Psychiatry, psychology, they cannot help. They just talk about emotion. They talk about mental tension. But third was emotional. The emotional tension everywhere. So how to channelize the emotion? How to understand the emotion? We love your mother, or father, brother, teacher, country, your car. You love everyone. When you don't fulfill that love, then that love becomes hate. We have that emotional blockages. How to release that emotional blockage, how to channelize the emotional energy. And that's why the bhakti, the devotion, type of yoga we call bhakti yoga, yoga of devotion. So the mantra, prayer, worshipping, channelize emotion. Every word has a cause and effect. If you say someone, I love you, they become happy. The same way, the love become hate. Too much love become hate. When there is too much hot, we need a cold. The pain becomes suffering. Always two. Gain and loss, hot and cold, birth and death. My dear friend, learn how to channelize the emotion, blockages, and experience tranquility, calmness, serenity, courage, willpower. There are most of the women, the mother, they have a lot of emotion. More the girl, emotion. Actually, they felt love. What is love? Gross and love call passion, dependent, surrendering particular moment, that person or that thing. When you don't get what you want, the same energy which analyze a negative aspect, and that hate come. Hate and love and hate, these are invisible energy. You cannot see the love, you cannot see the hate, passion, but you can feel it. Just like you have sugar. Sugar, the nature of sugar is sweet. Sweetness you cannot see, but you can feel it. The nature of water is a cool. Water is always cool. But when you go temperature, you put the heat, water become hot. But not because the nature of water is hot. The nature of air is moving. The nature of fire growing. There is heat there. The water, air, fire, these three elements more important to balance the element, to channelize the emotion, lower emotion to higher emotion. The love, not only passion, not only dependent, cosmic love. Without expectation you love someone. It means channelize a proper way. We love and we depend on that person, that thing. We love a car. Sometimes we go in a car, accident happen, car broke. We love a house. Hurricane come, the car break, house break. There's so many things which you don't want, unexpected things happen. And the emotion we cannot handle. I know one person, she didn't feel love with her husband. They have 15-year marriage, they are very happy. They have the 3 children. And suddenly, children grow and the man fell in love with another woman. And he had not tell her. She think he love her. And suddenly one day he take it, all the things, he disappear the home. What happened? My dear friend, I don't love you. Because now you don't look when you are 20, 25. Now you are 45, 50. You look a little bit ugly. That he was loving that body, not love. Gross love. And he go to the younger 25, 30 for the girl to love. That is not the love, the passion. So we have to learn, channelize the emotion, calm, cool, relax, calmness, serenity. The best way, the bhakti yoga, mantra, manatrayate. To channel your bhakti yoga, bhakti is devotion. The Lord love to convert the cosmic love. The different kind of mantra. Personal mantra and general mantra. One mantra I am going to sing for you. It's very powerful. You want to channel energy? Sing with me. Enjoy this one. Hari Om, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Hari Om, Namah Shivaya. Hari Om, Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. So mantra, channel energy. You are not think about that particular thing. Situation will happen. Human being not perfect being. Man and woman, they are not perfect. They work with the gross emotion, lower. So that learn to practice art of meditation, art of breathing, yogic and bhakti yoga, predominate bhakti yoga. Raj yoga for rational temperament, bhakti yoga for devotional temperament, karma yoga for dynamic temperament. So we have to learn according to your need. What is my personality? What is my nature? What my so emotion? How can handle? If you are too much cold, you go close to the fire. So you put the hand on the fire front, but you don't close. You don't Don't hold the fire in the hand, you're going to burn. So most of the time we don't know how to handle, we want to take closer the thing. If you love someone, let them free. How to maintain, conquer the person, communication, understanding, listening, art of listening, art of talking. So use the mental energy and the emotional can channelize properly. The practice, yogic practice can help channel emotion. You need a guidance of the spiritual master who has the knowledge about mantra, knowledge of proper yoga. There are so many different kind of yoga, each and corner of the yoga, everywhere. Each part put their name and yoga. Yoga is a science of the body, mind and soul. It's not intellectual. It's a heart. Just like love of your mom and you is love from the heart. You don't have to go any school, college or university to love your mom. You don't have to go anywhere to love your father. Then love with the husband or boyfriend, girlfriend. It is a matter of understanding nature of the person, personality. So you can maintain that pure love, not passion. Love is a pure understanding, communication, sharing, giving. Sing, meditate, write your personal diary. Find out your weakness, the person love and the hate, what he's missing within you, what you miss from him. You don't miss. Love is just like a water. In water you put a green color, become red, water become a green color. Blue become blue. So we paint the color and that emotion we suffer. Suffering means called ignorance, avidya, asmita. There's no need to suffer. Suffering means lack of understanding. Suffering and pain go together. You cannot hate no one 24 hours. But you can love someone 24 hours. But sometimes you're thinking constantly that person, hate, and dream about the hate. Anger, hate, because kama, krodha. You don't feel desire, you don't feel your wants. Wants are more, desire more, but need is minimum. You can have your freezer full of food in the freezer. How much food you need according to your need it. You cook, then how much you eat, what your stomach carries. The same as measure the love, each love. Communicate that person, understanding, and that can convert, channelize your emotion higher level. Practice every day. Follow the 5D. First D for discipline. You must have discipline. Yogic discipline. Personal discipline. A car without a brake, what will happen? It have bound accident. You must have discipline. Then you must have devotion, determination, dedication and discrimination. Use the 5D, you can channel emotion easily. Think on that what happened. Sometimes things happen for the best. 2000, one woman come to me, Swamiji, I'm from Latin America and I get married with my husband. He is from America, he's gringo. We have 15 to 20 year marriage. But now I don't feel anything with him. The gringo I don't like. I want to give him. I want to give him a vacation for it. I devote him. And I say, my dear friend, you see his defect. You see his gringo is not good. Now, still, you need someone. Suppose that man has a negativity, you hate him, maybe he like you, maybe you like him, but you hate him. Suppose you get another person love and who know that is worse than that gringo, what will happen? Then after that, she come with me 3 months. I had give personal instruction 3 months. I invited him 2 months. So within 5 months we have together, I communicate with her. And now, 2000, more than 20 years, still they are living there happily. And says, Swamiji, you save our marriage. Because you give most important hate and anger. Anger is a fire, hate is fire. You save us because we don't have communication. We are looking only negative thing in life. So my dear friend, you can save your relation with your brother, with your mother, with your friend, husband, even the enemy. Your enemy, you have to, he is a good friend. He show you defect you. Can he see your back? No. You cannot. Another person see the back. Can you see your face? You have to see the mirror. The same thing happen. Negative person who tell you defect, thanks them, they can help you to find out, recover your defect and come your personality. To balance personality, it come personal practices, self-analyze, go to the self-discipline, practice yoga, meditation, breathing, relaxation, self-analysis. I'm going to tell last thing. Chitta, Chinta and Chintan. Chitta means the dead body. Chinta means preoccupation. And Chintan means cosmic thinking. Too much worries, your body kill. Chitta. So, too much worries, that becomes Chinta. When the body die, we call Chitta. And what is the Chitta? Dead body we burn. And all the sense, all the elements go in original set. So learn art of thinking, Chintan, cosmic thinking. Transcend the mind. God always within us. Invisible force with us. You are not only the body, mind, senses, intellect, emotion. People don't know that philosophy. You don't have to go anywhere, any church or synagogue or temple or mandir, anywhere to find the God. Real, this body is a temple of the God. Learn human being. Love yourself. Purify your mind. Be just like innocent children. And this body, you realize, that's called self-realization. Nirvana, Anubhuti, Moksha. Lord Buddha called Nirvana. So that's why understand within you there is cosmic energy, divine energy, pure cosmic love. Don't go superficial love for temporary love. Always unhappy. Because you are the architect of your destiny, you can architect negative aspect and positive aspect. Think, do Chintan, Atma Chintan, higher thinking, you can change the quality of life. God has sent us temporary time, 50, 60, 70, 80. We are not permanent here, 100, 200, 300. Decide. So be happy, be enjoy, be happy. Don't talk about emotion. Emotional automatically channelize. Night you dream come, you become a king or queen. And then, when you wake up, the same person. So dream with the joy, dream with happiness, dream with love, and be happy. Om Sahnavotu Sahno Bhunaktu Saviryam Karvave Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidya Om Shanti 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 Asato Ma Sagamayam Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mritturma Amritangamaya Sarvesham Sastirvatu Shantirvatu Purnam Bhavatu Mangalam Bhavatu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Shanti Shanti